here we are going to solve a question of parabola by rectangle method. So let's see the question first. Construct the parabola if the base is 105 and axis length is 98 mm. Draw tangent and normal at any point. So the method which we are going to use is rectangle method. Given data is AB, that is nothing but base 105 mm, CD, which is nothing but axis 98 mm. So draw a base AB of 105 mm length. Locate the center of AB and draw CD at a height of 98 mm. Now complete a rectangle. Draw a line passing through A and parallel to CD, line passing through B and parallel to CD, and join these two endpoints passing through D. Now divide, first name these 2 points E and F. Divide AC and AE into equal number of parts. So let's take it as a 4 parts. So if we divide AC into 4 parts, we are going to divide AE into 4 equal parts. Always start naming from a point. Let's start it from A. So I will name it as 1, 2, 3. On vertical line it will be 1 dash, 2 dash and 3 dash. Now join all the points 1 dash, 2 dash and 3 dash to point D with a straight line. Draw line 1 dash such that that line is parallel to CD. So I will mark first point. Draw line 2 dash parallel to CD. Draw line 3 dash parallel to CD. Now with a smooth curve, join A and D such that the curve should pass through these 3 points, and you will get half parabola. For remaining half parabola, either you can transfer these points or you can repeat the same procedure. I will show you how to transfer these points on that side. Draw horizontal lines parallel to AB through these 3 points. Take this much distance and mark it over here for the same point. Repeat it for next 2 points and join BD such that the curve should cover these 3 points, and you will get rectangular parabola by rectangular method. Now let us see how to draw tangent and normal. Take any random point on CD, let it be X. Okay, now mark a point Y. First of all, extend this line CD. Take dx distance in your compass. Considering D as a center, mark a point Y on the line extended. Now draw a horizontal line from X parallel to AB you will get a point on curve. Now join these 2 points, y and this point which you have got on that curve. So you will get tangent, and at the same point draw a line perpendicular to it, you will get a normal. So this is n dash, this is t dash.